We just want to take a moment to tell you a little bit about ourselves.
I'm Benji. I'm an actor, model and qualified personal trainer and fitness coach based in Derby, UK. I started out in fitness when I was 22 years old and I was tired of weighing 120 pounds. I started rough and rocky, but I learned as I went along, and now I'm a professional fitness model weighing 170 pounds. Fitness changed my life, and now I feel it's necessary to help others kickstart their journey to a fitter, healthier and a better lifestyle. As it's something I've been through myself, this is something I'm extremely passionate about.
I'm Tech. My main background is in martial arts and I'm a qualified coach. I have a passion for fitness, and over the years I picked up tips in physical training and nutrition. Some people may want to gain some size and some might want to lose some weight. I've been in both camps, so I know what it's like to be in those shoes. I've gone through the stages where I've looked at myself in the mirror and thought I'm too thin. At other times, I know I've enjoyed myself too much over the period of time and have needed to shed a few pounds.
And on this course, we've come up with a program based on our own experiences, which will help you get the results you want. Whether it's to prepare for a special occasion or get a beach body for that up and coming holiday.
We both train very regularly. Benji, I will admit, is much more consistent with his diet, which is the reason he has an awesome physique. But we do practice what we preach.
Our mission is to help you achieve a fitter, healthier lifestyle. No shortcuts, no magic pills, just a consistent diet and hard work from you. Whether you want to gain a few pounds or shred a few pounds, we are going to help you build muscle and burn fat.